you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you guys don't miss an upload from me. So as you guys can tell from this title, I will be doing an unboxing video. It's a new ring light because this ring light that I'm filming on right now is just not cutting it. The ring light I bought is from Amazon. This is the ring light. This is the ring light that I bought from Amazon. So I already went to open it just to see how, because I've been watching a lot of unboxing videos, and let me tell you guys, I couldn't wait for my ring light to come. I'm gonna just show you guys what's in the box, and then I'm gonna show you guys me setting it up. So let's just, open this one and see what it is in here. If you guys are like me, you guys like to watch a lot of unboxing videos, and just watch people unbox the videos and set stuff up and stuff like that. Especially me, I like to watch people unbox a lot of stuff, especially if it's something that I want. I'm one for it. I be watching people unbox a lot of shit. Like, okay, so I'm guessing this is a stand. It comes with 2 filters. So these are the filters. I guess this is the piece for the mount. OMG, it comes with this, with the own phone mount itself, and then it comes with the charge. I guess these 2 connects. I'm thinking this is for the ring light, this piece is for the ring light, and this other piece is where you connect it to, and then you just like plug it into the wall. It comes with this little piece right here. I guess this is where you you could take pictures with. I'm not sure, I don't know if you could take pictures with this, but it comes with this piece. And I'm gonna set up the ring light, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference between the actual ring light I have that I'm filming in right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys the actual one that I bought with the filter. My god, this is just beautiful. Like, this is really big, but I don't even know how you set it up. That's the next part. Oh, okay, I see it. All right, I'm just gonna go and set it up now and let you guys watch me set it up. So right here you guys, these 2 pieces that you guys see me on screen, these 2 goes together. Basically I just took them apart because I wasn't too sure of like what I was doing at the time, but when I really went back and look at the ring light and look at the instructions, yes, you could separate it, but if you want, you can put it together. You could dim it, and you could power it on and power it off. So alright, guys, we're gonna put these on to see how we look with this filter. I am so sorry for the bad lighting. I know y'all can't really see, or whatever. I'm so sorry for this bad lighting. This is the ring light I've been using for all of my videos, and this ring light right here was a gift. After a while, this ring light just started giving out. I don't know why it started giving out. This ring light served me some good time, but now it's time to get a whole new ring light. But this ring light is really good. So this lighting right here is the old lighting for the other ring light. Onto this new ring light, baby. Moment of truth. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. Oh my god, yes. Let me see it without the light in the room. OMG, seriously, you guys. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's better. This filter is the white filter. I'm gonna come back and show you guys this filter. I already put it on, so I'm more feeling this one than the other one, but hey, this ring light finna come in handy dandy. Like, I'm gonna turn my room light off and I'm gonna show you guys it in the dark. What can I say about this ring light is that I love it because it's really tall. It's 18 inches. It's really long. You know, it could, if you want to do like a whole body video, like let's say a try on haul or a lookbook video or certain stuff like that, you know, this ring light is really good instead of this one, because this how high it goes. Like, this just was not my take. I am really pleased with it. I'm really happy. I'm in love with it. Like, I'm just in love with it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Like this video, share this video with a friend, to another friend, to tell a friend to come and watch this video and my other videos, and to subscribe to my channel, because I just feel like I got good quality videos now. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. See y'all in the next one. Bye, you guys.